Muthurimi wa mathabu ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Badan Mucheru herete kamiti thurane ya mathabu ma muingi bunge-ini ya Senate ona gutiri uthuthuria wekirwo gukumini yona thengia yake kwanira ati kwari na uhuthuri moru wa kigina.
Here you are that you have this consignment which is being procured with global funds, and you're also procuring the same, and they are being warehoused.
Mushike ningi akauga ona we mwene ni ari na uritu kuona ndumiriri imwe cia marihi kuma ruhonge rwa mathabu na thogora ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri.
When we asked about the payment to the cooperative bank, we never got an answer then. But later on, that's the time now you are given some papers where you are being told they were purchasing the rate of credit.
Hamwe na kigina kiria Musheke yaugite aikiriire nganja ni marihi ma ciringi birioni 1.2 ona gutuika uhoro ucio wariririo ministry-ini yo. Ona kurigo ministry no ithiete na mbere kuga ati tikigina gia ciringi birioni 5 no ni birioni 3 cia gukorwo ciurire ministry-ini yo. Ningi nirikanite no korwo ati we niwe warekereirio uhoro ucio kuri nyumba cia mohoro. Musheke akauga itanya ria riboti yake rirongoririe kwithuriria minister Cleophas Mailu uria mbeca nyingi cia huthirirwo na njira ya kiriga.
This was a compliance audit which you are informing the cabinet that these ones did not comply with the law.
Ruhonge-ini rwa mbeu njithi NYS na kumakiria ya nuthu ya bengi cia guku bururi-ini nicio cia kigamirio kigina kiria kiungumirio. Bengi 28 nicio kamiti thurane ya bunge PSC irathuthuria uriri 11 cikinyitie macokio macio.
There is more than what is just in the public domain, and like I said, this information really in our view ought to have come from the CID and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission.
Ona kigina kiria kiungumirio kia gukorwo ni makiria ciringi birioni 1 na milioni 600 ta uria ukoretwo gukirikana.
And now that we have the banks, we will be doing what we have done with other banks, which is to write to those banks to give us a detail of all the payments that each of these companies that are holding accounts from them, accounts which received monies from the National Youth Service, how much they received, who it was paid to, with those details.
Kamiti ningi ni uritie Senator Kipchumba Murkomen na Faruki Bet na uria ni muthiriti wa kwa munini wa President William Ruto mandike macokio ma iguru ria kukuruanio kwao na gukumio iyo. O muthenya na ikereka ria ruhia uthuthuria wigie kigina kia mbeu njithi NYS uria ukuraya kuinikirira oriri kwiyumiritie ati ni kambuni nyingi makiria cia hutanirie na kigina giki ona kana kigina makiria kuiywo. Ngirifuatira Inoro TV ritwa rĩa Macharia wa Gachuru.